1 a.m. You're starving. You tap pay with UPI for that late night biryani. Your PIN goes in and transaction fail. You sigh. You think it's a server glitch. You were wrong. That wasn't a glitch. That was a ghost in the machine. A scammer, seconds away from wiping your account clean, who just got body slammed by a digital bodyguard you didn't even know you had. And you probably just got annoyed and closed the app. Today, that changes. I'm Deeksit. After 11 years in the system, I'm giving you the keys to the server room. Forget cheat codes. These are the 3 classified protocols your bank's AI uses to hunt scammers in real time. This isn't a lecture, it's your mission briefing. Let's get this read. First up, Protocol 1. The digital ghost. The suits call it device fingerprinting, but that's boring. Think of it this way. Your bank's AI knows your phone soul, your exact location, your Wi-Fi network, the time you usually order food. It's your digital ghost profile, your vibe. So when a login suddenly appears from a different city on a new device at 3 a.m., trying to send your money to a stranger, the AI sees a different ghost in your machine. It's like, the vibe is off, red flag. An extra OTP, a security question, and the scammer hits a brick wall. That's your AI silently guarding the perimeter. Next, Protocol 2, the circuit breaker. Bankers call it velocity anomaly scoring, but I call it the too fast, too sketchy detector. Scammers are greedy. They don't make one transfer, they try to make 10 tiny ones in 60 seconds before you can even blink. They go from 0 to 100 real quick. But the AI is the ultimate traffic cop. It sees one transfer, it's cool. It sees 15 transfers to 15 new people in 3 minutes, it slams the brakes. The AI imposes a cool-off period or freezes the transaction. It's an automatic circuit breaker designed to stop a fraud surge before it can drain you. And the final protocol, this is the real next level stuff. Protocol 3, the live combat AI. The bank calls it real-time rules tuning. Scams evolve every single day. A static rulebook is useless. The AI can't just be a guard, it has to be a hunter that learns. Here's how. Banks use a champion-challenger model. Think of it like a sparring session. They have their main security rule, the champion. But in the background, they're testing a new, smarter rule, the challenger, on a tiny slice of transactions. If the challenger catches more fraud without bothering real people, it KOs the champion and takes the belt. This happens 24/7. Your bank's AI isn't just following rules, it's in the gym, training, writing a new playbook every single second to stay ahead of the bad guys. So now you know, that annoying failed transaction isn't a bug. It's your own personal AI bodyguard working overtime, running protocols you didn't even know existed. You're now officially smarter than 99% of people about how UPI security actually works. Knowing these secrets is how you stay safe. But the next question you're going to have is, how do I get powerful? What about these new UPI credit lines that everyone's talking about? Are they a smart tool to supercharge your finances? Or are they a high-speed debt trap designed to wreck your CIBIL score? That's exactly what we're exposing in the next video. Subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss the answer. And before you go, I've built a free one-page PDF, the ultimate UPI safety checklist, just for my Deeksit Insider list. It's your field guide. Comment a playbook down below and I'll drop the link for you to sign up. Stay safe out there.